guys, welcome back to another M4 video. In the previous video we ended up doing the whole interior, sending out the dashboard just for upholstery to get the airbag fixed. While we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and actually start assembling the whole front end. Hopefully in this video we're going to kill the complete front end, so that way all we're going to have left is the interior and just the undercarriage. So let's not kill any time, let's get straight to work. So we ended up throwing in the new headlights. So Roman's actually looking for the switch because we did pull out the whole interior, and basically we just want to try to plug in the switch to see if the headlights actually work, or we might actually even have to program them. I mean, I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out. So it looks like we couldn't find the switch. It's probably on the dashboard, and we already sent out the dashboard to get reupholstered. So we're gonna probably go ahead and throw the front bumper on and kind of play with the gaps a little bit, just see how it looks. gaps are not 100%, but they're looking pretty damn nice. Honestly, since the car was hit on the front end, I was expecting it's gonna take us a little bit longer to play with the gaps, but I mean, we just kind of just threw everything on, just on bolts, and also we're just missing 2 brackets as well. We're missing these 2 brackets, so even without those brackets, I mean, the gaps are still looking pretty damn good. The brackets pretty much just go onto this radiator reinforcement and just to this support and to this headlight right here. So once we get those brackets in, then we can just adjust at 100% and pretty much just complete the front end. Damn, this thing looks nice, man. The color is just glowing. But that being said, let's go ahead and throw on the side skirts. Alright guys, so we did complete the side skirts from both sides. We also went ahead and played around with the whole front end, completed the gaps 100%. They're looking really good. We did receive those 2 brackets we were missing. We threw those in. Those took 2 seconds to throw in. So our next move is we're probably going to just go ahead and throw in the headliner, right?
Headliner is ready to get
Yeah, the headliner is ready. Those guys took really fast to fix it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the headliner in and go from there. We are gonna throw the wheels back on and lower the car before we do that. Hey, but check this out, man. This mask right here, do you remember this mask? It was inside the car since day one. We got it off the auction pretty much.
Put it on, I dare you.
It was on there since day one. We were working with the interior, we were working with the whole car for months already, and that thing did not go anywhere. That thing is still there, man. Alright, so the headliner is in, the back seats are in, pretty much everything is in besides the dashboard itself, which is still not ready. They're still working on it. After the dashboard, we are going to install the windshield. But for now, what we are going to do, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but check this out, man. This is bad. It's been sitting here for a few weeks. It's pretty dusty. So before we're going to continue any more work on it, we're going to actually go ahead and take it outside and give it a nice wash so it would be comfortable to work on it, because this thing is just sad to see it like this sitting in dust with this beautiful color. So we ended up washing it. You can actually see everything, how it looks, like the paint. You can actually see the carbon fiber. We do have some glue residue right here that we do gotta remove with some adhesive, which we don't have right now. But this is pretty much how it's looking. This thing looks so nice right now. But it did take us a while to complete this car. We got the Corvette going on. We still got the E63 going on. As you can see, we got a lot going on in our shop. We're still doing the remodeling. We're working upstairs. I'll actually go up there in a second and show you guys what we've done so far and the reason why we haven't been posting as much videos. But we still got the toolroom going on, right? We got some toolboxes coming.
Got one big toolbox coming for that side of the wall that will get rid of this little one.
Yeah, so let's just go around the shop and just kind of show them why we haven't been posting as much videos as we should.
Well, okay, let's go around and start off from the very main, you know, from the main door.
From the main door.
Let's go with the shop door. All right, so here we got the main door, the entrance.
The main entrance, right?
Yeah. You walk inside.
We got a pretty dirty office right now, but we still need to we need to get a desk.
Yeah. So this table I actually built as a workbench in our old shop. It's the boring table, the OG table. This is actually still gonna be a workbench, but it's gonna go later on inside the office. We need a couple of waiting chairs in here. Yeah, inside the shop. Sorry about that. Gotta get a couple of waiting chairs in here. Got the tree in here that already died a while ago.
We got tons of water.
This was
so busy we are.
This right here was all nasty carpet. We went ahead and did the vinyl flooring, repainted it. Still got to burn the wood trimmings around from both doors. Then we walk inside here. We got this beautiful workbench.
Really organized.
Yeah,
unorganized right now. We gotta organize it.
Unorganized. Yeah, but there's one toolbox. Then we have a locker right here. We have the wall. Then we're gonna have a whole, pretty much toolbox going across the entire wall.
I think we're planning to do the whole icon toolbox. The whole wall is gonna be a toolbox.
Yeah.
So all this stuff is gonna be nice and organized inside. Right now it's just laying around.
Yeah. For now, you know, also did the trimmings around. Went ahead and painted. But then next thing we're gonna be focusing on is this wall. This wall right here, right behind you, is actually gonna go into brick. And then all the doors are gonna go into black.
I forgot about that. We have to do this brick wall, right?
Yeah, so all this is gonna be brick. So the underneath the tables, it's all gonna get painted black as well.
We got the janitor.
Yeah, we have the shop janitor. The bathroom, we have not even touched the bathroom. Left it as it is for now.
For now,
yeah. We are gonna clean it up. We do already have it.
We did complete this, but it's now for sale, right?
Corvette's complete and for sale, so go ahead and
purchase it.
Yeah, go ahead and purchase it. Sponsor the new build.
We got some flags. We got the McLaren, Ferrari, M, Lamborghini, America, full send. You know the flags.
And then right here we have a whole motorcycle shop. You know,
the whole motorcycle.
This is for our janitor. This is his little side hustle.
Our janitor's side hustle, right?
Hey, yes sir. And then let's go upstairs.
This is our favorite part.
Yeah, this is the upstairs. This is where you come and relax. We actually just finished this the other day.
Yeah, this looks nice, man.
It's been a project coming. It's not fully complete yet. We are going to do the same burnt trimmings going around each corner on both of the.
We are doing electric fireplace, correct?
Thinking about doing brick wall and electric fireplace.
Yeah, we got
just give it kind of a vibe. Yeah, still waiting on the bar stools to come in. Then we're going to go ahead and put some screens up.
Nice little epoxy.
Yeah.
Now look at the view though from this angle. Damn, you can see everything pretty much. You can see all the mess.
Pretty much. You come in here. Here we have a pool table. You know, we got the sticks over there. This is kind of, like I said, this is kind of a relaxing place. You know, we kept it. We put in these LED lights because it kind of gives it a dark, you know.
Yeah, bar vibe.
Yeah, it gives it like a bar vibe.
We got the mini fridge over there.
Yeah, but this is it.
This is looking nice, yeah, but so this is basically what we've been up to the whole time, man.
Yeah,
and it's not including our day jobs. I mean, you're doing full-time vinyl reps. I'm somewhere in the Bay Area.
It's a little
building America.
It's a little building America. This is a little thing just for ourselves, you know.
Yeah.
After working all those jobs, you know, we gotta come somewhere to, you know, just relax.
We relax by working in the shop.
All right, guys, but that's everything that's going on with us these past couple of months, ever since we got the new shop. But as for the M4, we did get a lot done. I mean, all we have left to do is the drive shaft. That is a really hard thing to do on this car. You will not be able to do it unless it's on a lift. Even on a lift, it's hard to do. So we're gonna go ahead and actually tow it to the alignment shop, get the drive shaft changed there, alignment, and hopefully rip it back.
At once right away, man.
Yeah, hopefully rip it back. But other than that, we just only have the dashboard left to do. And then the windshield, we do have it standing right there in the shop. It's gonna get installed within, you know, 20 minutes. So the windshield's nothing serious to worry about. But yeah, and then we also have all the undershields under the whole thing, under the whole car.
Fender liners, all the
fender liners, you know, that's something that goes on last, because even after alignment, you know, if any of the suspension compartments are bent, we're gonna need to swap them. It's a lot easier to swap it without the fender liners on the car. But that is gonna be it for the M4 video. So make sure to check us out on Instagram at Foreign Builds. Smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. We might still do the M4 giveaway with BYB Tim on this car. It all depends how much people actually want to participate in it. Stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you guys later.